Welcome guys to another deck concept. This time we're looking at L.A.B. So L.A.B is made of 3 different archetypes put into one deck, and they synergize pretty well with each other. So for the L, they can do fusion summoning. For the A, they can do synchro summoning. And for the B, it can do exceed summoning. So really this deck can perform all 3 types of summons, but we'll be focusing more on the A and the B's, the synchro and exceed summonings, because those mechanics are easier. We could fusion summon, but unless you count like instant fusion or then a fusion summon, I guess. But we have one way to do one fusion summoning in the L category. Anyways, let's get into it. We got L for LunaLights. So we got the LunaLight Tiger, LunaLight Wolf, LunaLight Blue Cat, and LunaLight Cat Dancer. So the LunaLight Wolf, the level 6 pendulum monster with scale 1 as you can see here, is a miracle fusion card where you can banish LunaLight monsters from your side field or your graveyard to fusion summon one LunaLight fusion monster. Is how we fusion summon the LunaLight Cat Dancer, which requires 2 LunaLight monsters, so that's pretty easy to make. A for aliens. So we got Alien Shock Trooper, Alien Ammonite, and Cosmic Fortress gol'gar. So gol'gar is the combination of the Alien Ammonite and the Alien Shock Trooper combined together. Cosmic Fortress gol'gar, very powerful card in this deck. B for Bujin. So for the Bujins we have Bujin Yamato, Hair, Harako, Kagasuchi, Saswanu, and Aramaratsu. So those are the Bujin lineup right here. Searches for days, guys. So we got painful decision to search out the Alien Shock Trooper or the Bujin Harako. So we can send the Shock Trooper or the Harako to the graveyard to add another copy of itself to our hand. So that's really good for the Alien Shock Trooper because we really need it for that Alien Ammonite combination right here. Got Fire Formation Tanky to search out any Beast Warrior monster from our deck and add it to our hand, level 4 or lower when it's activated. So basically MSC can negate that. LunaLight Tiger usually is our target, or a Bujin monster, Bujin Yamato is pretty good. We also got King of the Feral Imps because we can rank 4 exceeds for days in this deck anyways. 2 level 4 monsters, you can detach 1 material to add either Alien Shock Trooper or Alien Ammonite to our hand for some more rank 4 plays or synchro plays with the Alien Ammonite. We also got the LunaLight Reincarnation Dance, which means when a monster you control is destroyed by battle or by card effect, you can then add up to 2 LunaLight cards from your deck to your hand, or monsters I should say, and that's pretty OP. You can also add the other pendulum scale if you wish for the LunaLights. So that's a really good search card as well, even though it's a trap card. So how do we pendulum shokin in this deck? Well, we need pendulum scales of course. We have Harako being the scale 3, and we got Luna Tiger, scale 5. Luna Tiger does not have a restriction like the Luna Wolf does. The scale 1 level 6 pendulum monster has the effect where you cannot pendulum summon except for LunaLight monsters. That's a pretty horrible effect. Therefore, we will use the Luna Tiger as the scale 5. Pretty simple stuff. You can pendulum summon only level 4 monsters, but we got a bunch right here, right? Shock Trooper, Yamato, Blue Cat, and more, right? So for the LunaLight combo, we have the Luna Tiger. The Luna Tiger has the effect where once per turn you can target 1 LunaLight monster in your graveyard to special summon it back to the field. However, it cannot attack and it is destroyed during the end phase. So that's a pretty powerful effect because, you know, you can bring back the Blue Cat. The Blue Cat, when it's killed during the end phase, it'll just special summon another LunaLight monster from your deck. Could be another copy of itself if you wish, or a tiger or a wolf, anything that's LunaLight related. We also got the LunaLight Wolf, again, the Miracle Fusion plays to make the Cat Dancer, so that's another combo. For the Alien combo, we have Alien Ammonite being normal summoned to special summon from our graveyard, Alien Shock Trooper. Then we synchro on up the Cosmic Fortress gol'gar level 5 synchro monster right here. It has the effect where once per turn you can bounce any number of face-up spell or trap cards on the field, so basically it can mean your opponents as well, to the owner's hand, and if you do, place that many A counters on the field as the equal to the number of spell trap cards bounced. So that means you get a bunch of A counters, and you can remove 2 A counters once per turn to destroy 1 card your opponent controls. So that's a pretty neat effect. Basically, the Cosmic Fortress has a lot of utility powers in its effect because it can bounce pendulum cards, continuous spell cards, and continuous trap cards. So in this case, we have Luna Tiger right here. Luna Tiger is a once per turn effect. However, if you bounce it back to your hand and reactivate it, you can activate its effect once again. Fire Formation Tenki, it has a specific line that says you can only activate 1 Tenki per turn, right? So you can use it next turn if you activated Tenki this turn already. Call the Haunted and Phoenix Chain, you gotta reset them back face down, but hey, you can still use it once again against your opponent. For the Bujin combo, we have Bujin Yamato. Bujin Yamato during the end phase, once per turn, you can add 1 Bujin monster from your deck to your hand and then send 1 card from your hand to the graveyard. So usually we would add Bujin Hair, then send it to the graveyard, because Hair has the effect where you can banish it from the graveyard to save 1 Beast Warrior type Bujin monster you control once during this turn. So that really helps with survival plays, I guess. As well as we can use the LunaLights level 4 monster right here, and maybe Bujin Yamato to exceed summon into Kagutsuchi, because Kagutsuchi requires 2 level 4 Beast Warrior type monsters, and the LunaLights are Beast Warrior types as well, so that's pretty good. And then we can use like the Harako to banish it from the Pendulum Zone to activate its Pendulum effect, meaning we can overlay the Bujin Exceed monster with another Bujin Exceed monster. So, such as Amaterasu, perhaps, because Amaterasu requires 3 level 4 monsters, but we can basically exceed summon it this way, thanks to Harako's effect. And Amaterasu is pretty good effect because during your turn, you can special summon a level 4 banished monster, which you just banished the pendulum scale of the Harako, right? So you can just resummon it back to the field with Amaterasu's effect. During your opponent's turn, you can add a Bujin, or sorry, not a Bujin, but like a banished card from your banish zone back to your hand. So that's pretty good because you can banish the Hair, then just add it back to your hand or something like that if you needed the banished card. And last combo here, we got Alien Ammonite, Alien Shock Trooper, and maybe a LunaLight Blue Cat. Trishula, Dragon of the Ice Barrier, still possible in this deck because level 1 tuner monsters with a bunch of level 4 monsters. Easy peasy, right? So this is what the lab deck looks like. I think I've gotten a pretty interesting idea this time around. I hope you guys think so as well. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys later.